American.
Get up.
Standard British.
Get up. It's the morning. Let's go.
Devonshire.
Get up.
German.
Steh auf, bitte.
Scottish.
Get out of bed, you lazy sod.
Geordie.
Get up.
Brummie.
Get out of bed. It's the morning.
Yorkshire.
Get out of bed right now.
Scouse.
Get out of bed, you lazy sod.
Irish.
Get out of bed right now.
Russian.
Get out of bed right now.
Cockney.
Get out of bed right now, you lie.
South African.
Get out of bed right now.
Northern Irish.
Get up now.
New Zealand.
Get out of bed, for God's sake.
British RP.
Get up. You need to go to school.
New York.
Oh, forget about it.
Australian.
Get out of bed now.
Welsh.
Get up now.
French.
Bonjour, get up, you lazy pig.
Southern.
I don't know which accent to
Jamaican.
say. Get up now.
West Country.
Get up.
Spanish.
Hola. Come on, you must get up.
Canadian.
Get up now, please.
Dutch.
Get up. Out of bed. It's not the right accent. The Dutch shout, get up, wake up, get up. I don't know, silly video.